I just actually saw my regular doctor for a annual checkup, and she told me, she said, when you told me you had COVID, I was really nervous. And she said, I know you told me you used the nebulizer and some of the things she used, and she said, keep doing what you're doing. And also, they noticed something with, the veins, that they said sometimes is very similar to calcium buildup. But she said it's very normal for, your age. But she said, I wouldn't worry. She said, when you look at your cholesterol, she said, I wish mine was as good as yours. And we always think somebody's perfect fit because they're thin and healthy, looking. But like you had mentioned, you don't know. You don't know if they are perfectly healthy until you run the tests and explain the steps to eating a healthier eating a healthier, choice of foods and not going with some of the things that you think are okay, but without that knowledge that you don't get out there, and to learn it from, here, that there's ways to have a healthier life and to enjoy it, but you still don't have the knowledge. And I didn't have that 7 years ago. And I knew there was something I was missing because I wasn't getting better. And it was a drag just to go from day to day not feeling good. And, the medication didn't work. It was that I still had that bacteria, but to be able to still have it, 7 years ago, and it stayed stagnant because I saw you that whole time and you watched, and listen to my lungs, whereas you can't get that at the doctor's office. And, because they didn't know what else to do. So it was a blessing in disguise that, coming here and having it work for me. And, as I mentioned before, that my daughter has helped her with her migraines, her taking, the magnesium, and she's also found out that she's low in zinc, and that zinc has helped her with energy level, and because she got COVID, my whole family got COVID. To see that my husband and my son had chosen to eat healthier, and my son had started taking vitamin D as a request from asking you what he should have, I think really helped him because he was really overweight. And again, helping my daughter get through COVID, not having the strength and having migraines afterwards. Starting that magnesium and zinc really helped her get through it too.